Welcome to this tutorial on setting up a DHCP server using Windows Server Manager. First, we start by adding roles to the server. From the Server Manager dashboard, we select Add Roles, which allows us to configure the necessary server features. Next, we move to the Network Connections Binding screen, where we specify the network adapter that the DHCP server will use. Now, let's configure the DHCP scopes. These scopes define the range of IP addresses that the server will assign. We set a starting address of 192.168.0.100 and an ending address of 192.168.0.200 with a lease duration of 8 days. Finally, we configure the subnet mask and default gateway, ensuring all devices on the network can communicate with each other. This completes the setup of a DHCP server. The server will now assign IP addresses dynamically to devices on the network, streamlining network management and ensuring no IP conflicts.